Yeah, bro. Take it all in. It's dumb early. And we're on the way to pick up the new project. I'll go on El Demo.
Boy, yeah, born game.
Idiot boy,
Wow.
So this is Ron's new car.
Let's follow him inside.
Yeah.
I can't show the address. Can't show the address.
This is his new car, you know what I'm saying? Ron, congrats.
Congrats, yo. FA5 on deck. So you know what am I gonna do to this, right? Yeah. And probably lock it. Hold on.
Run. You have auto lock.
Did you lock it back?
Lock it back. I gotta be careful with this one too.
See the car there? Bombo. Clean. Bone stock too. Congrats, bro.
I appreciate it, bro. He said it was inside the car.
Check the carbon stock carotid. Probably just a K&N filter. Clean. And one thing I love about it is that it's silver. You don't really see silver FA5s. 07 front bumper, 07, 08 front end. Carbon fiber rear. Mugen wing. Stock exhaust, everything stock. Just on coilovers, Mugen wing, front lip, that's it. Oh, hybrid too. So you know how that's a go feel. That's a go feel nice.
Here it is, boys. Ignore the music in the background. There she is. Alright, so we got Juan over there. I'm at Juan's job. Is it okay if I record?
Yeah, you're good.
And these bad boys are actually going on the car today before I head home. So we're mounting the RPF ones that were on Juan's car onto my car. So you already know we finna be nice out here, you feel me? Yeah.
Yo, it's Juan. Stealing this man's shit. Stealing the new car. Hey Ron, this is my car, bro. Fuck that. You know I love FA5s. This is my car now.
Look at Ken. That's Ken's car, looking clean as ever. You know what I'm saying? Cheers. And then we got Juan over here with the works. That boy got the works. Hold on. That boy got the works. And Yeah, so one's gonna bring the car in to the shop. I'm not going in the shop, so I think he has my GoPro and he's recording. Oh, chick now.
He's a clean, man.
You can buy them. But yeah.
He got buffalo.
What up, boys? We got Ken. Y'all haven't seen him in a minute. He pulled up to One's job because I'm at One's job right now, and we are gonna get the wheels put on the car because I'm not going home with the boo boo ass wheels that are on the car.
I don't think it's that bad.
Yeah, it's trash, bro. So a little sneak peek of how it looks. It looks beautiful, bro. Oh. So the back was a little bit too slammed. I might insert a picture before. The back was slammed a little bit, but we're gonna get that situated and I'm out of here. Bro, I'm rubbing, dude. What up, Ken? Shit's rubbing like crazy, dude. Front's mint. The back, damn, dog. And we are home, boys. I finally got the car home. It rubbed quite a few on the way home, but nonetheless we made it home. The tires are still pretty okay. I mean, it did rub a little bit, a lot of it, but as long as I made it home safely, thanks to Ken, he followed me, make sure I made it home. Lemron, Alan Speck, big shout out everybody else who have been a part of this journey that is starting. Thank you.